everyone, it's Monique from Raw Blend. I've never actually used a juicer before. We've got the brand new Greenstar 5 juicer in Australia now, and I thought it was a wonderful opportunity to see how good this is for a beginner. It's disassembled. I'm gonna give it a crack to assemble it. We're gonna start with the twin gear housing. So it's got these silicone seals, which will make it easier to clean and means that it won't drip juice out here. We're gonna pop that in. So we push it in. Need a little bit of force for that, and I can just feel it suction in. So we've got our stainless steel twin gears. Inside these, there is bioceramic and magnetic technology. This is proven to keep the nutrients in our juice alive and fresher for longer. It means you don't have to juice every day. You can make larger quantities and store it away in the fridge for a couple of days, and it'll still taste great and have all of the nutrients in there. Very importantly, we've got these red dots on our twin gears. We have to line them up and put the single dot in the middle of the two red dots. So push it in. I can give it a little spin and push it in, and that's done. Next is my fine juicing screen. This is perfect for vegetable juices. The Greenstar is renowned for being the best juicer for hard vegetables and greens. It comes with a couple of different options, but this is the one we want to use. So I'm just going to place that over there, easy. We've got our outlet casing now. So this is basically right here where the pulp is gonna come out and underneath where your juice is gonna come out. So gonna pop that on. We've got the outlet adjusting knob. So this is the spring retention. You can see that there. So this is going to control how wet or dry your pulp is. I want my pulp to be really dry. I want to get as much juice out as possible. So I'm going to do this up nice and tight. So it holds all of the juice in there for longer, which means that it just gets out as much as possible before sending the pulp out this chute. Now we're going to put the clips on. So over there, over there. Finally, we've got our safety hood. The machine will not turn on if this isn't on, so this is there to protect you and to enclose everything. Today, I am making a liver lover juice. We've got lots of ingredients here that are really wonderful for our liver. They're just really nutritious in general. This is my go-to recipe for when I'm out and ordering a juice, so I'm really excited to make it for the first time today. So we've got our glass jug that the Greenstar comes with underneath catching our juice. And then I've just added a bowl in to catch our pulp. Tommy's tip to me is to alternate between my different vegetables and fruit, so one at a time. I could have kept talking through that time, it's very quiet. Got my wooden plunger here just to help me push everything down. Bit of cucumber. Tommy said that once you put a bit of fruit or vegetable in there, you wait for it to clear and then you add the next one in. I'm too excited. So you can use your finger for that part and then use your plunger to push it down. I'm gonna give both plungers a go. I think maybe as a beginner I prefer this. I think this just makes me feel a bit more confident, but both are good. Some of these things that I'm putting in are a little bit harder than others. The beetroot, carrot, apple is not recommended for people with arthritis or weakness of the hands. It's fine for me, but yeah, it takes a little bit more effort. And I've also put myself on a box here today so that I'm a bit taller. Just helps with the downward force. Amazing, I'm done. I've made my very first liter of juice. Super pretty. For my very first time juicing, I feel like that was a really positive experience. I'm gonna actually give it a go. Yum. I have no idea the ratio that I put in, but that is beautiful. It's so smooth, it's such a beautiful consistency. You wouldn't know that all of that's in there. I can see why Tommy loves this so much and recommends it so highly. I might have to get one of these for myself.